Hey, what's happening, y'all? Today we're gonna have the second part of the restoring of the 3,000.
Oh, brother!
Oh, yeah, we're just gonna fix the 300,000 mile Nissan Armada. I can't even talk. Today we're gonna do some.
Come on, man.
Golly, today we're gonna do the brakes, y'all. We're gonna knock these brakes out. We got some tie rod ends that we got going on. Todd, you just gonna go by and you ain't gonna say hey?
Why are you running?
Hey. What's happening, y'all? Todd ain't been on the screen for a while, man. What's up? What you been up to?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Just playing my game.
Just playing your game.
I'm about to, I wish we could just, make Roblox videos.
Perfect.
Roblox videos?
Yeah, and I'm just gonna check the mail.
Okay, all right. Yeah, that's where Taj has been, y'all. He's been in there playing with his little Roblox and stuff like that. I'm not gonna force him to come out here, but when he does ask, I'm gonna always have him on the channel, y'all. You know, he's a part of this channel. You know, hey, I'm not the only one that's gonna be doing work out here on this channel. So whenever he wants to be on here, I'm gonna let him be on here. But today, let's go ahead and knock out these brakes, y'all. All right, gang, we got the brakes off. That wasn't too hard. Now we're gonna go ahead and knock off these tie rod ends. Those are shot. You know, I'll show you when I take them off. Look at that. Actually, and the sway bar end links, they're shot too. Yeah, so we're gonna go and knock them off, and I'll cut y'all back on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Lord have mercy. As y'all can see, this bad boy done had it. It's on this last leg, 300,000 miles. What do you expect? We're gonna change it out for a new one. One of those AC Delco boxes over there. Let's go. Y'all know what that means. We don't play no games around here. Man, this still take a lot of time, but hey, we got it done. As y'all can see, got the new brake rotors on here, brake pads, got tie rod in, we got sway bar link down there. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this off with a little bit of brake clean, try to get that little spot bless me, get that little spot off. Now we gotta do this side. I know y'all wondering why I'm going from drill and slide it to this regular, this slab rotors. Man, them drill and slide it, man, actually when we put it on there, they didn't do as well. And plus, you know what I'm saying, this don't really need no drill and slide it. It ain't like we're doing any type of road racing or anything like that. So we just went with just a, you know, just a flat slate one. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this side done. I'm not gonna bore you with this side. I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and do that. Boy. I've been bleeding the Blake. Bleeding the Blake. Beating the.
Hold on, spicy meat. Yeah.
Beat.
Perfect.
Bleeding the brakes. And I got my little Chris Fix style one-man bleeder, even though you're not supposed to use black hose. That's all I had, y'all. You need to use see-through hose. If you want to see how you make that self-bleeder, man, just let me know down in the comment section. I'll make a video on that. It's pretty easy. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory. But, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and bleed all the brakes. Try to make sure that we can get everything, the pedal as strong as possible. But I'm kind of thinking like that master cylinder ain't doing too hot. But hopefully we can bleed this brake.
Worst.
Y'all know what I'm talking about. Cut the camera. All right, gang. That is all we have for today's video. Let me see if I can get my black face into focus. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Man, I've been out here working and slaving on this truck, man. Woo! But hey, if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And when you do, hit that notification bell. And I'm gonna tell y'all something. 2 days ago, my computer, I think I bought the computer in like 2017, the end of 2017, around 2018. And my charging port started catching on fire, y'all. So, yeah. I'm gonna have to edit on my old computer. And if you're from one of the OGs from the other channel, man, y'all know that computer is so slow. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it done, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I know I haven't been posting Monday through Friday like I said I was, but we're gonna try to get the best stuff we can out, you know, as quickly as possible, y'all. So y'all be patient, man. We're gonna get everything situated. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably upgrade the RAM and the memory on the actual old computer or laptop or whatever, and yeah, we're gonna go from there, y'all. But y'all be patient with your boy. I'm trying to do the best I can, y'all. Like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, share. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.